Are you looking for the best floor jacks? In this video we will look at some of the best floor jacks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Blackhawk B6350. The Blackhawk B6350 is a high-quality hydraulic floor jack designed for lifting vehicles and other heavy loads with a lift capacity of 3.5 tons or 7,000 pounds. Its main features include a built-in internal safety valve and vent plug, ensuring safe and controlled operation during lifting tasks. One of the key safety features of the Blackhawk B6350 is its swivel saddle, which allows for easy positioning of the jack under the vehicle. This feature ensures user safety by providing a stable and secure lifting experience. The saddle has a diameter of 4 inches, providing a stable contact point with the load. The jack's dimensions are 28.5 in length, 13 3/4 in width, and 6.5 in height, making it a compact and portable tool that can be easily stored in a garage or transported to outdoor activities such as picnics or ball games. Number 2. Big Red T83006. The Big Red T83006 is a hydraulic trolley floor jack designed for heavy-duty use, constructed with robust steel to ensure long-term durability and an industrial finish. With a capacity of 3 tons, 6,000 pounds, it is suitable for lifting most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. The floor jack offers a minimum lifting height of 5-7/8 inches and a maximum height of 20-7/8 inches, making it versatile for various vehicle types and maintenance needs. The jack is equipped with 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters, allowing for smooth maneuverability and easy positioning under the vehicle. The inclusion of extra-long saddle neck ensures efficient lifting of higher vehicles, saving time during operation. For ease of use, the Big Red T83006 features a single-piston quick lift pump, allowing users to effortlessly raise the jack to their desired height. Additionally, the jack is equipped with a safety bypass system that prevents overloading and ensures safe operation during use. Number 3. Arcan 3-ton Quick Rise. The Arcan 3-ton Quick Rise is a high-quality floor jack designed for heavy-duty lifting tasks. It stands out due to its construction from lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum, making it easily maneuverable and portable while maintaining exceptional strength and durability. With a lifting capacity of 6,000 lbs, approximately 2,722 kilograms, this floor jack is capable of handling a wide range of vehicles, including larger cars, trucks, and SUVs. One of its key features is the dual pump pistons, which significantly expedite the lifting process. These pistons enable a quick raise of the floor jack saddle, allowing for efficient loading and lifting of vehicles. The jack's reinforced lift arm is another noteworthy attribute, as it enhances the overall strength of the tool while providing superior chassis torsion control. This reinforcement contributes to the jack's robustness and extended lifespan, making it suitable for demanding tasks. Number 4. Performance Tool W1606. The Performance Tool W1606 is a versatile and practical automotive tool designed for lifting cars and light-duty trucks. Its ideal use is for maintenance tasks, such as changing tires, inspecting brakes, or performing other repair work underneath vehicles. With a lifting capacity of 4,000 lbs, this jack is suitable for lifting almost any type of vehicle, including sedans, SUVs, and smaller trucks. The W1606 offers a lift range of 5 to 15-1/2 inches, providing ample clearance for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts to access the underside of the vehicle comfortably. This wide lift range ensures that even vehicles with low ground clearance can be easily lifted for repair and maintenance. One of the key features of the Performance Tool W1606 is its swivel casters. These wheels allow for smooth movement and effortless positioning of the jack in precisely the right spot, enhancing convenience and efficiency during use. Whether you need to place the jack at a specific location or move it around the garage, the swivel casters make the task hassle-free. Number 5. Arcan II Arcan II is a heavy-duty floor jack designed to provide easy and efficient lifting of vehicles with low ground clearance. Its primary features include a low-profile frame, dual pump pistons, a universal joint release mechanism, and a sturdy steel construction, making it suitable for demanding automotive applications. One of the standout features of the Arcan II floor jack is its low-profile frame, allowing it to slide easily under vehicles with limited ground clearance. This feature ensures that even low-set cars and trucks can be lifted without any hassle, making it a versatile tool for various vehicle types. The dual pump pistons are a time-saving feature that enables rapid elevation of the floor jack saddle to the load point. This ensures quick and efficient lifting, saving both time and effort during vehicle maintenance or repairs. For precise control during the lifting process, the Arcan II is equipped with a universal joint release mechanism. This mechanism allows users to have precise control over the jack's lowering motion, ensuring safety and preventing sudden drops of the vehicle.